everyone, my name is Carson Nyheisel and I'm one of the technology specialists at Performance Lexus. Today we're going to be going over the programmable auto tilting mirrors. In Lexus Vehicles, you can program the mirrors to tilt down at a desired angle when in reverse. To do this, all that you do is have either L or R selected on your door panel where you typically adjust your mirrors. Right now I have R selected, so when I put the car in reverse, they are going to tilt down at my desired angle. If I would like to adjust either mirror while in reverse, I use the circle that we typically use to adjust our mirrors until I'm happy with their setting. And then when I put the car back in park, they'll move back up. All that I want to do now is make sure I have either L or R selected so that when I shift in reverse, that position is set. That was how you program the automatic tilting mirrors in our Lexus vehicles. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Jeffrey and I at Performance Lexus. Thank you.